left hand limit and right hand limit are same. Limit extending to 1 minus x cube must be equal to limit extending to 1 plus ax cube. So it clearly indicates that 1 is equal to a, so therefore a equal to 1. Clearly it indicates. Now you require the c value. F dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So what is f dash c here? F dash c is 3c square is equal to f of b will be f of 2 minus f of 0 by 2 minus 0. So this will give you 3c square is equal to, what is f of 2? 8. 8 minus 0 by 2, or c will be 2 by root 3. We take only positive value because it must lie between 0 and 2. From this, what we observe is option D is correct. A equal to 1 and c equal to 2 by root 3. Simple Lagrange's mean value theorem. Function is continuous in closed interval, differentiable in open interval, and there exists a c such that f dash c equal to fb minus fa by b minus a. From this, a already we got it by applying the continuity definition, and c we got it by applying the Lagrange's mean value basic definition. 3c square is equal to 4, c equal to plus or minus 2 by root 3, but we take only positive value, c equal to 2 by root 3, because c is a positive which lies between 0 and 2.